Welcome to Java tutorials. Today you will learn how to compile and run your first Java program. I'm taking simple Java program for example. So if before you're running your Java programs, so you should be JDK should be installed and the environment variable should be JDK path and the Java file name same as class name. So your simple class will be public class HelloWorld. So public static void main. This is a string arguments. So this is a main method, and after that we are printing the one line System.out.println. So this is a curly braces end of the main method and end of the class. Let me run one simple write simple class. So I have written public class hello world, public static void main, string arguments. This is a command level argument. You can declare for strings System.out.println. This is my first program. So let me save as same name as class name dot java. See the file it is already saved. Okay, let me open command prompt. Just we have to go to this path e workspace e cd space wrk tab center tab. It will give you here. So for compiling you have to write java c. What are the Java file name we are using? Same you have to type here. Just press enter. If it is having any error, it will give you the error. See, public static void main invalid method declaration return type required. It is showing as return type is required. Same thing I have written public static void main. Okay. Let me change this ones. Just go to here, right click and edit with the notepad plus. You can use this one. So S is a caps. Just make it as small. String arguments. Okay, let me compile one more time. See, now it is compiled successfully. I have written some S is a cap. That's what it is giving. For executing this program, Java hello world. So why? Because Java space this is a class name. If you have seen here, the one class name is already created automatically after compile. This is a class name with the same name as class name. Hello world dot class. If it is having nothing, there is a system bytecode machine language which will be understood by JVM. So if you have entered, it will give you the output. This is my first program. What are the program I have written? Same thing. Output is system.out.println. This is my first program. Okay, simple. Like this, you have to use your simple Java program, simple class file. So coming to public static void main. So this is a main method, right? We have discussed what is a public means. We can call the method from outside of the class. Public means is an access modifier type, public, private, and default. This will be discussed in later classes. Public means we can call the method which is a public from the outside of the class. We can access those method in another classes also. Static means no need to create objects for static method. It run itself. Static once you have declared method as static means you can't change. It will be as is for entire project. Void means which is having does not have any return thing. It is not returning anything. So main, this is a method name. It is a main method name. The JVM can run your program. So without method name, the JVM will not accept your Java class. It will provide you the exception. So coming to string arguments, using for command line arguments, you can declare the strings. It will using for declaring your arguments. What are the arguments you want to use? Strings, integers, etc. Thank you for watching my video. Please provide your valuable comments on this video, and please subscribe for my video.